Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading, April 13 to 19, 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Or mag-book kayo directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description and comment section. Okay, let's see Cancerians. You have the Strength card. Oh, Resilience. Ikaw ay nagpapakatatag ngayon. Or you are in a very strong relationship with someone na kahit na merong pagsubok, you are holding on to this relationship. Kung ito naman ay hindi relationship, this can be the career path, trabaho na meron ka ngayon na you are staying. Kumbaga, kahit na nahihirapan ka, you know that staying in this job or in this career ay the best thing to do during this time. I also see here, pwedeng meron kang papasuking agreement or may bibilhin kang property, bahay, lupa, para mag-invest. Maybe investing. And also, nagpo-focus ka rin, mas nagiging committed ka sa pag-iipon ng iyong pera. Very busy ngayong week na to for you. May mga kakausapin ka, pwedeng ito ay boss or someone na may authority, someone in authority. Pwedeng ikaw ay may balak mag-abroad, may mga inaasikaso kang paperworks. There's also growth in your career. Pwedeng meron kang training ngayon. Yung training na yan, yun yung magle-level up sa career mo. You have the Four of Cups. Meron ditong energy of feeling na may kulang sa sitwasyon mo, parang hindi ka ganun kasaya or tipong hindi ka ganun kakontento sa sitwasyon mo. That's why you want to level up, gusto mong magdagdag ng ability, skill set that will also open up opportunities for you. Lalo na kung ito'y abroad, kung gusto mong makapag-abroad. May leadership role. You have Mercury and Cancer in the 4th house. This is communication. Maaring may mga pag-uusap within the family, important matters regarding sa resources, ari-arian sa family. Also have the moon in the 5th house. I also see yung iba sa inyo na magiging very creative, no? Marami kayong ma-unlock na abilities and skill set ninyo. And meron ditong secret crush. Oo, merong secretly may crush sa inyo. Pwedeng mararamdaman nyo naman kung sino yon. Oo, maaring sa trabaho nyo to. You have the moon in the 10th house. But yung iba sa inyo kasi ang focus nyo talaga career. So kahit merong mga nagpaparamdam dyan, romantically, yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo pinapansin. Oo. Pwede kasing hindi nyo yun priority at this time or talagang hindi nyo lang gusto. Mas focus kayo sa inyong mga projects, sa inyong hobby, yung iyong libangan, at yung career, kung paano mo mas mapapatatag or mapapaunlad yung career mo. Think it through. Meron kang decision making na kailangan mong pag-isipang maigi. Iwasan mo ng mag-overthink. Iwasan mo muna na, ang tawag nito, yung magpadalos-dalos din sa pagdedesisyon. Minsan naman kasi pag nag-overthink, hindi ka nakakapag-isip rin ng maayos. Pag in-overthink mo naman, mas lalo ka natatagalan. So, yung tama lang talaga. Prosperity lies ahead. Wow, ang ganda oh. Merong abundance coming in for you. Yes. stability in your finances, stability in your resources. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.